It's cold outside, but don't let that stop you from making delicious and juicy smash burgers. Let's get into it. To get started, slice some red onions or sweet onion. You can use whatever you prefer and caramelize that in oil or butter. And you can actually add garlic if you prefer, but here I just used onions. Proceed to add some salt and other seasoning of your choice. You can keep it relatively simple with just salt. And that's what I did here. I also prefer a little bit of heat, so I just sliced some habanero peppers and I'll be adding that next to my onion. Continue to stir till you get your desired consistency. I like mine pretty caramelized, so that's what I did here. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and to a heated skillet, we're going to add our balls of ground beef. The goal here is to get it as flat as possible. So we're going to use a parchment paper and a SmashBurger press. And you can use whatever tools you have in your kitchen, but try to get it as thin as possible. We're trying to develop a really good sear and crust on our patties, so just give it some time for that to develop. At this point, go ahead and season your patties. Here I used regular S&P, salt and some black pepper, and just season to your desired taste. Now, to make sure our patties do not disintegrate, just go ahead and carefully flip those over. Season the other side as well and allow this to cook to however you want this done. Here I prefer to make mine well done. Once it's fully cooked, go ahead and add some cheese slices. I'm using American cheese here, but you can use whatever cheese you like. We are adding it just so it's warm enough. We're not really trying to cook the cheese, just try to get it warm and melted. Once that's all nice and toasty, get those off the skillet and you're ready to assemble your smash burger. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get our bun toasted. All right, just because we don't want it soggy, we toasted our bun. So go ahead and add whatever sauce that you prefer. Here I added sweet relish, tomato, and a little bit of honey mustard. So add that to both buns and start to layer your burger. So as you can see, this is a really quick, simple, and easy recipe that comes together in no time. You can customize this with whatever vegetables or condiments that you prefer. And you can actually make this ahead of time and use for your meal prep recipes or for lunch for your kids. And you can even make it as a meal for the whole family, and there's no need to go for takeout. No need to bust out the grill. Just stay warm, stay indoors, and use your skillet for this beautiful burger. And just like that, our spicy, juicy smash burger is ready to be devoured. You can make yours with as many patties as you want if you want it thicker or juicier. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for more videos from me. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, and see you in my next one.